Want to bring unique resonant textures to your sounds? Ableton Live's Corpus device is a powerful tool that uses physical modeling to simulate the resonance of objects like strings, plates, and pipes, transforming your audio into rich, complex tones. With 7 resonator types beam, marimba, string, membrane, plate, pipe, and tube, Corpus lets you recreate the characteristics of real world materials. Fine tune each model with controls like hit for where the object is struck, width for stereo spread, and position for where vibrations are measured. The built-in LFO adds movement, modulating the resonator's frequency with adjustable rates, waveforms, and stereo detuning. Use the bandpass filter and global controls, including bleed and dry wet, to shape your sound further. Corpus shines in creative applications like enhancing synths and vocals, creating ambient soundscapes, or adding rhythmic textures to percussion. For even more flexibility, use MIDI modulation to tune the resonance or trigger pitch bends. Ready to explore new sonic landscapes? Comment Ableton below, and we'll DM you a link to free Ableton tools and resources to help you dive into Corpus.